When most of our kids get vacations, and we were kids, we used to get summer school, nowadays many other things. Not in a different city, just house is, and because it was summer vacations, and in the city, everyone from the distant village, everyone who wants or here used to be there, and dad used to come to the show, which all remember now. G horror show. G horror show. I don't know. I was so terrified. I was always terrified in the summer, and the darkness and the because of lack of power, the street lights. I used to get terrified. But how those elders, they don't understand that we kids get terrified, and the tone. He used to get scared out of me. And my elder cousins and other elder brothers. You know, store yard. It was actually store yard in that big house. Nobody used to go there. The store yard, we all have big houses. The store yard used to store the garbage, and nobody goes there. They used to say, there's a store yard there. Babaji ka bhoot lives there. The Babaji used to do tapasya here. Someone Rakshas killed them, and he comes every summer. He comes every summer, and yet he doesn't stop to go there. You just take him away. So don't go there. Don't go there. You're a small child. You can't protect him. I'm a small child. Even though I was studying science, I was so standard. I used to and I used to ask those elders if I need to go upstairs in the night from the ground floor to first floor. They used to come with suggestions. Play your favorite song, Close Up Antakshari. Just keep running. Just play your favorite song. Just run. The most are scared of Antakshari because they don't like Bollywood songs. They like the scary songs. And then someone comes up, you go 7 o'clock. Uncle's hand. Put a hole and go there and take your lunch early. And there's scariness. And we always promised. Actually, I myself promised that I will never go downstairs in the night. And there was lack of space, there was lack of power cuts. So not everyone could sleep in the downstairs in the rooms. Most of us, big children, we didn't have anything to do next early morning. So you were sleeping on the terrace with some elders, very few elders. And you always, at least I always wanted not to go downstairs at night. But one night, there's no power, of course we are on the terrace, no power, and the wind was blowing so fast that the gate like this, you can see the gate, the store gate, and it's producing the terrible sound. And I couldn't sleep. I was terrified. Babaji ka bhoot finally is coming tonight. He's gonna do something. I must not do there. I couldn't sleep all night, and nature's call. I need to go to the bath. I had to go to the bath. And bath, everything was there upstairs, eating food, water, but the bathroom was downstairs. And the stairs were facing the store. You have to face the store. When you're going down or up, the store used to come just right there. All the ghost stories of G horror show. The ghost sucking the blood of someone's, that scary faces, and that teeth is coming. Oh man, the Babaji ghost. Oh, no, I can't go. So I keep waiting for half an hour. Just 3-4 hours, I can wait, man. I can. I am a good boy. My father loves me. So, no. So, he waited. But then, God, I'm going downstairs. He's saying, I will come to temple every tomorrow after taking a shower and donate 1 rupee donation. Please sing to me. So I went, let's go. In the middle back of your mind, you are scared, but and the wind is blowing, the door is blowing, but still you are saying, let's go. 1, 2, 3. No. Who goes there? And you can wait. Then again, 1, 2, 3. No. I'm not going there. So this procrastination keep going for 30 minutes, and then
something else is gone by then.
You just hit this. You can't make yourself embarrassing if people find out what you did in the night. So I had to go to save myself embarrassment. Then let's go. Then just jump and then went downstairs. As soon as I finished the stairs, going towards that area and stunned. There was someone was someone with the white light, with a white face or whatever white is coming towards me, slowly. And I couldn't go back because Babaji Ghosh is there. Where is the Babaji Ghosh? I couldn't walk because I was stunned. And then my heart was sweating. Of course it was summer, but extra sweating. And then all of a sudden you started studying Hanuman Chalisa. And then this person keep coming closer and closer. And then he said, you could feel his breath. And he said, बेटा क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे? बाबाजी मैं उधर बाथरूम जा रहा हूँ, तो जाओ यहाँ मत करो. He told me not to do here, and then I feel the sigh. And those dark places, when you see a human being's voice, you just so energized, let's do. Still, Babaji Ghosh is out there, he can do anything. So I just run there, go to the bathroom, and then come back and don't want to sleep. I was so happy, I beat Babaji Ghosh, and then next morning, each one of us woke up with such a loud noise. Something really happened in that story out of somewhere else. Everybody is shouting, who did this? Everybody's running around. What happened? What happened is, everybody's running around for the water. Everybody's running around, and the eldest person who was actually, I recognize his voice, he was the eldest person in the house, like a Mukhiya. He used to be there in the earlier days. He summoned all the kids, asked, who turned the tap on?
Oh.
Who turned the tap on? You know, entire tank is empty. Who turned it? Who did this? I know somebody will do this. He asked every children. I'm so ready. And then he turned on me. I said, I don't know. Babaji Ghosh maybe. So this was Babaji Ghosh who did all this, and all this year it was Babaji Ghosh.